In example 1, we need to solve each equation for the variable indicated, and if necessary, we'll round to the nearest thousandth. For the first problem, I'm noticing that we have a log with base 203 on the left and a log with base 203 on the right. And there's nothing else going on outside either one of these logarithms. At this step, it's okay and logical to conclude that 7x must be equal to 35. So whatever's here in the argument position for each log, as long as you have the same base and there's only one log on each side and nothing else going on, you can say that the argument positions would be equal. Dividing by 7 on each side, we would find that x would be 5. If you wanted to, you could go to a calculator, take 5, substitute it into the equation on the left hand, or the expression on the left hand side of the equal sign, then actually do this in the calculator and see if it's equal to log base 203 of 35. On the right hand side, we have 2 logs on the left and 1 log on the right. They're all the same base, which is great, but we can't just right away state that like 4c minus 8 would be 13. What we need to do is we need to make it look something like this over here, where you see 1 log on one side and only 1 log on the other side. If we want to combine these 2 logs on the left together, they have the same base, so we're allowed to do that. This is a minus sign. However, remember your rules of logarithms, they're the same as exponents, just flipped. So if we're subtracting logs, we're going to take the 4c here and divide it by 8. So this is going to become log base 3 of 4c over 8 is equal to log base 3 of 13. We now have 1 log on each side. The base is the same, so we're allowed to state that 4c over 8, which is the same as c over 2, is equal to 13. Solve this equation, just multiply each side by 2. 2 over 2 is 1. 1 times c is just c. 13 times 2 is 26. Again, you could substitute this value in here for c, type this into your calculator, type in log base 3 of 13 in your calculator, and those should be the same values.